How to install sockets in ring connection with a SPA. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install 4 sockets, 3 in ring with a SPA. This is the wiring diagram, but before we start everything, I'm Trainer Lux, and I'll be taking you through step by step on how to install sockets in ring with a SPA. If it's your first time, please subscribe, like this video, and comment your views at the end of this video. And then also you can follow me on TikTok, Trainer Lux, and also follow me on YouTube at Trainer Lux. The moment you do that, the channel is electrical installation, and you can learn more and more on plan work and all that. Remember, after this unit, I'll go ahead to managing of electrical sites and all that. I'll continue until the commissioning of electrical installation, but let's focus on the agenda of today. So today I'm going to show you how to install 4 sockets, 3 in ring with a SPA. So one, you have to ensure that the drawing of cables be done, and the cable numbers, before you do the drawing of cable using a draw wire, ensure that you are aware of how many cables have to pass through the conduit to the end of the socket box that you'll be doing your socket termination. So once I'm done that, you can see I'm using my side cutter to split the cables, as well as now I'm doing this using the electrician pliers to strip the cable. Once I've stripped the cable, I'll ensure that the cables have been nipped or be bent the end of the conductor to ensure that whenever now you're fixing it, it gives a tight grip. We don't want loose connection even with the termination. So once you're done with that, you go ahead to termination of sockets. What I want you to understand about the SPA, a SPA is a radial socket in a ring connection. Why am I saying it's a radial socket? You'll only see for the socket 4, you only have 3 conductors: the live, the neutral, and the earth. So that means that there's no return line for this. So that one makes it a radial connection. But remember, since it's emanating from a ring circuit, it makes it to be a SPA. So I'm going to terminate the green, which is my live, and one yellow, which is my neutral, and another yellow, which is my earth. But you have to identify, make sure that the yellow, which is an earth, and the yellow, which is neutral, is separate. But remember, for your case, you'll be using the required color code, which is black, yellow, or green with the red for face. For this case, you'll bear with me so that you can see. That's my last termination of neutral for this for the SPA socket. Then from there, you'll see the third socket, which the SPA has emanated it, having 9 conductors. So 9 conductors. The 3 conductors are for the SPA, and the 6 conductors are for the ring. So you can see we are doing the neutral termination. I'm going to do then the live termination, and then the earth termination. I'll do the same steps for the remaining sockets. It's only in this socket, which is socket 4, where the SPA has emanated, you'll see the 9 conductors, or the 9 cables, as you can see. But for the remaining socket 2 and socket 1, you will only see 6 conductors. The return, the feeding line, and the return line only. So that's my earthing, final termination being done for the earthing. Then I'll proceed with the socket 2, and socket 1 as well. Once I'm done with that, I'll now go ahead and even terminate the supply or the feeding line, the returning and feeding line to the consumer unit. I'm not using a consumer unit in this case, but the power board that you see there has the consumer unit right below. But for this case, you'll just have to bear with me. More have been shared before. If it's your first time, please don't forget to check out other videos in this channel. The videos to do with the planning of installation work. I'll give you guidance on the requirement for the ring and radial socket installation and other lighting installation. Remember, I'll continue bringing more videos on perform electrical installation. Soon I'll be giving videos on how to install an electric bell circuit, on how to install motors, how to install instant showers, and more and more and more and more. So just stay put, ensure you subscribe if you're watching this from YouTube, or you follow if you're watching me on TikTok. Remember, I'm still available on TikTok as Trainer Lux, and on YouTube at Trainer Lux or electrical installation. So I'm here to ensure that you can do this on your own, even at your home place. Some of this you can be done with the simple slight repairs, but if you're experiencing or you want me to cover a little bit more extensive it, please comment below on this video. I'll still come back and answer you. I'm always active with my channels. I always answer my viewers on time. Ensure that once you drop a comment, I will also appreciate the comment. And don't be just stingy enough. Drop a like for this video and even share with your friends and colleagues who are doing the same. So this is the final termination I've done. Now, once I'm done and I've confirmed everything is tough and this, I'm explaining how why we have 9 cables on the third socket and not the second and first or the fourth socket. Now I'm doing the final fix, socket to the socket box, using the screw and screwdriver. That's the final fix in step of installation, final fix. You have to ensure also it's level. As you can see, my spirit level is saying that everything is okay. So I did my mounting in the required manner. Then once you're done with that, what's left is to test. Remember, testing has to be done before you do the final fix. But for the socket, there's no need. You can still do the testing without after the final fix. So the live, the neutral, and the earth are being powered on. So I'm only going to test one socket. I've tested all the 4. So I wanted you to understand more about the logistic of installation. So you can see my power board is now on, and I'm just going to test one socket. In this case, I decided to test my spar. If my spar is okay, then the ring socket is okay. As you can see, it's okay. 240 is there.